In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text in Canva. If you want your titles or key phrases to stand out in your design, bolding is one of the quickest and most effective ways to add emphasis and improve readability. Let's walk through it together, step by step, and I'll add a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your Canva project. Once your design is on screen, click the text you want to edit. This selects the text box and puts you in editing mode, so you can make changes right away. If you only want to make certain words bold, click into the text box and drag your cursor to highlight just the part you want to emphasize. You'll see those words become selected. With the text highlighted, look for the toolbar that appears across the top of the editor. Find the thick letter B icon, this is the bold option, and click it. The selected text will instantly gain more weight, making it pop against the rest of your design. If you change your mind, click the B again to toggle bold off. If your goal is to make all the text in that box bold, you have two easy options. You can simply click once on the text box to select it as a whole, which tells Canva you want to apply formatting to everything inside. Then, click the bold B in the toolbar. Alternatively, click into the text and drag to highlight all of the content before hitting the bold button. Either way achieves the same result, so use whichever feels more natural for you. A quick tip: if you don't see the bold icon right away, make sure the text or the text box is actually selected. On smaller screens, you may need to expand the toolbar to reveal more formatting options. Also note that not every font supports a bold weight. If the bold button looks grayed out or nothing changes when you click it, try switching to a font that includes bold. Choosing a typeface with multiple weights gives you more control over your design hierarchy. Bolding is great for titles, section headers, and important callouts. It increases contrast, guides your viewer's eye, and helps your message land faster. Canva saves changes automatically, so once you're happy with how it looks, you're all set. That's all there is to it. Select your text, highlight what you need, and click the bold B. Simple, effective, and perfect for making your designs stand out.